Good day, all my listeners. Welcome to today's class. I want to say thank you for all of you that shares our last videos and comments. I also appreciate some of you who called me and also people who asked questions. All your contributions, we appreciate everything. Thank you sincerely. I appreciate you. The purpose of creating this class is not to make money, but to help our students here and there. Because I discovered that the way at which the standard of academics are declined in our nation is calling for alarm. So I will sincerely appreciate your contribution, especially to share it to all different platforms for people to see what we are doing. There are some questions I want to attend to this morning as regards to the removing of brackets. There are some unusual questions that used to come out, especially in our white JAMB, GC, NECO, and so on and so forth. That people don't know how to go about it. So we're going to be looking at it one by one. So there are 4 questions sent to my DM, which we are going to be looking at them one by one. The first question, which I'm going to use as my example. The first one, we have 6x minus open bracket 3 minus x minus 8. Now, there is a line here. The confusion in the question is this line. What does it really mean? I'm going to attempt to it in a simple way. Whenever you see a line across, it's just check the beginning of the line to where the line ended. So you know what to do. So the question is as simple to be written as this: x minus open bracket 3 minus, this represent another bracket. So you put x minus 8 in bracket. So this is what that line simply means. Meaning that line also means bracket. So it is not all the time you see it in bracket. When you see a line on it, it also means bracket. So, and how do we go? In the same normal way I explained in our previous videos, we have minus multiplied by 3. This 3 is a positive 3. So we are going to have minus 3. So minus, now we don't, since we have used this minus to multiply this, now the bracket that we have in is your next concern. So minus has been used to multiply this plus 3, we have minus 3. Don't forget, in the previous class, I explained minus times minus to be equal to plus, and plus times minus, we have minus. And when we have minus multiplied by plus, we have minus. And plus multiplied by plus, we have your plus. So that is how I have minus. This is a positive. There's no sign here, so it means plus. Minus times plus, we have minus. So the next thing closer to this bracket here, as you can see, is what? Minus also. So we have minus multiplied by this. Multiplied by this. There is nothing here. So it's also plus. We are having minus x. So minus multiplied by minus, according to the rules here, we have plus. Plus 8. So we have opened the bracket. After you open the bracket, then you apply the understanding of what I taught on like terms. So arrange it, you have 6x minus x. 6x, and this is x, 1x, and 6x, they are in like terms. And this is number, we have minus 3 plus 8. It's already in like term. So 6x, if you subtract 6x from 5x, from if you subtract x from your 6x, we are going to be having what? Your 5x. You can also refer to my class that I've done under number line. You understand how minus 3 plus 8. If you are owing somebody 3 naira before and you want to pay back the money and you are holding 8 naira in your hand, so when you give the person the money to pay back, addition, the person has to give you change back of 5 naira. That is why we say minus 3 plus 8 is equal to plus 5. We cannot add 5 and 5x together because they are not in like terms. Example 2. The second example that was sent to my DM is m, open bracket, m plus 4n. When you have m plus 4n but squared. Now, when you see something is squared, meaning that it's twice, there are two ways to go about it, but I will do it in a way that you will get it better. Now, what the one simply means is that we are rewriting it twice. Though this is a long process, then the second one, we are having m plus 4n. So it has been written twice. Now, how did I know you need to write it twice? If you are having 2 raised to power 2 like this, the result is supposed to be having 2 into 2. So the same understanding, everybody, if you know this, that this multiply this is 4, then you should know what to do here. So meaning that I am using all the terms that we have here to multiply the terms that we have inside the second bracket. So m multiplied by m, I will have m squared. Then m, the same m here, use it to multiply this 4, and this is a positive number, positive number. Positive times positive is positive. M times 4n, we have 4mn. That is m times 4n. We have 4mn plus 4mn. Now you have used this. The next one is to use your plus 4n to also multiply this bracket. So we are having plus 4n multiplied by plus 4n. We have plus 4mn. We have 4 multiplied by 4, that's plus 4, multiplied by plus 4. So we have plus 16. N times n, we have n squared. Now looking at the question, is already in like terms, so I don't need to collect the like terms. So I'll be having m squared 4mn plus 4mn, they are in like terms, so I can add them together. The answer is going to be 8mn plus 16n squared. So m squared plus 8mn plus 16n squared are not in like terms, so I cannot add it together. Therefore, my final answer is going to be m squared plus 8mn plus 16n squared. The third example, the third question that was sent to my DM, we have open bracket x plus 7, close the bracket, open bracket x plus 9, close the bracket. We have x, the same approach. X multiplied by x, we have x squared. X multiplied by 9, we have plus 9x. Remember? Then we have x, you have used x to multiply this, you have this. You have x to multiply this, you have this. So you are having plus 7 and to multiply this, the bracket again. So we're having plus 7 multiplied by x, that's plus x. The answer is going to be plus 7x. So we have plus 7 multiplied by plus 19. Plus 7 multiplied by plus 19. Now, like I've taught you in the previous class, how do you go back when we are dealing with some questions that has to do with some difficulties question in table 9? I have shown you the tricks behind multiplication table 9. You can as well go back to my previous videos and look at that. So I know that this is going to be 67 multiplied by 9. We're going to be having 63. Now let's use our calculator to check that. We can look at it from our calculation. We have 7 multiplied by 9. You can see the answer is 63 from our calculator. So looking at it also is also in like terms. So we don't need to collect the like terms. So your final answer is going to be x squared, your 9x rather, plus 7x, we give you 16x plus 16x plus 16x plus 63. X squared plus 16x plus 63x are not in like terms. So therefore, our final answer is going to be x squared plus 16x plus 63. The last question, which I'm going to leave for my viewers to solve, you can leave your answer in the comment section. Permit me to clean the first question here so that I can write the assignment for you. Drop your answer in the comment section. What is going to be the answer for 2x minus 8 in bracket? And open another bracket, 2x plus 8 in bracket. What do you think is going to be the answer? Leave your answer in the comment section. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Until we meet again in the next class. Thank you.